I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
Hi guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be decorating my twin pencil trees in the living room for the holidays. Now, this video was actually filmed back in early November, but life has been lifing and I'm just getting around to editing the video to share with you all this holiday season. So if it comes a little late for you and the tips and ideas don't apply right now, you could definitely take this video and save it for next year. And also the holiday sales will be coming up really soon and I'll be sharing some of those with you guys. So be sure to go ahead and select your themes and your colors for Christmas 2025, this year, Christmas 2024, so that you will be able to save on your decor for the upcoming season. So when I'm decorating my Christmas tree, I like to start from the top to the bottom with my ribbons and my topper. And I just used the pieces that I had last year, and a lot of the ornaments that you saw in the beginning of the video were purchased after the holiday season. So although I'm doing the same color scheme that I used for Christmas 2023, I am using items that I purchased at the end of 2023 for 2024. So I did not buy any new decor for my Christmas tree this year. And so I start with my topper, and I'm using neutrals. I'm using blacks and creams. I really want that moody, romantic vibe. It's just my husband and I right now. And so I just wanted our tree to look really upscale and to match the decor that already existed in our living room. So we use a lot of the nudes and velvets and browns and khakis and things of that nature throughout our home. And I just think that when you decorate your tree to match the color scheme of your home, it just makes it look a lot, more, I don't want to say monochromatic, but it just kind of makes it look a lot more collected. And it just blends a lot more with your existing furniture, thus saving you a lot of time and money. And so from there, once I get the topper done, I like to go ahead and add in my ribbon. And let me just tell you guys this tip. Same ribbon I used last year, but when you remove the ribbon from your tree, you want to wrap your ribbon around kind of as if you're wrapping it around a spool, and then you can gem clip it together. And what this does, it keeps the integrity and the texture of your ribbon so that you can use it over and over and over and over again. I like to invest in my ribbon. I use a lot of high quality ribbons, and I'll leave the links to where I like to get my ribbons down below, and also I'll link them in this video. But once you start to look at ribbon as an investment, then you will definitely want to make sure you preserve it from year to year, because every year, even though I'm using the same things, the designs are different. We grow each year. We learn new techniques each year. And so I actually ended up teaching a course on Christmas tree decorating when At Home with Nikki hosted her holiday summit, and it was so much fun sharing those tips and tricks and seeing how well my students have done with the knowledge that they gained from that course, as well as my course on how to start a Christmas tree decorating business, has just been so surreal. And so now that I have completed the first tree, I am going to start on the second tree, and I just want to make a little warning right here. As you can see, I'm decorating my tree barefoot, which was probably the right way to go. The reason why I've been kind of behind in getting my videos out is because I actually broke my big toe on my left foot decorating a tree. I was wearing slippers in the house, and when I stepped off the ladder, the shoe got caught between the different steps and pressed down on my toe, and that was it. And so I have been in a boot for the past 6 weeks, and hopefully I'll be out by my birthday. So I'm super excited about that. But at any rate, if you are using a ladder to decorate a tree, please be sure to practice safety as you are, decorating or doing anything on a ladder for that matter. So next up, I'm adding my toppers in. I normally do one tree and then I do the other side, but this year I just could not decide on what I wanted the final look to be. And so instead of having to undo two sides, I just went ahead and completed the first tree. And then I looked at the second tree to just kind of mirror everywhere that I placed the other items on the tree. And they don't have to be twins, they can be sisters. It's perfectly fine. So that is just what you want to keep in mind when you're decorating. Don't stress yourself out when you're decorating, two different trees. And so I'm going to give you guys a little music here for your listening pleasure as I finish decorating the tree, and I hope that you enjoy it.
Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside.
So that concludes our Christmas tree decor. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. Be sure to stay tuned because I am going to be sharing our Christmas tablescape and our Christmas home tour very, very, very soon so that you can see how all of the spaces came together. So much for watching. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers! Are you passionate about event design and decor? Or do you find yourself dreaming of turning your passion into a profitable business? Well, if so, look no further than Luxe Academy. Our online, self-paced, and in-person courses will provide you with all the tools, resources, and guidance that you need to establish a successful business in the wedding and event planning industry. From contracts and pricing to financing and branding, we have got you covered. With our Luxe lectures, our labs, and our legacies, you'll gain the knowledge and the insight you will need to create beautiful backdrops, stunning centerpieces, and you will also learn how to negotiate and host client consultations. Join us at Luxe Academy and turn your passion into profit by enrolling today. Payment plans are available. We also have free classes that are offered, so be sure to check us out at luxeacademy.online. And if you're looking to grow in this season of your life and or business, I am so excited to announce that I am now offering channel memberships. Now, there are 3 different levels that you can support, and at the highest tier, I will be offering group mentorship and one-on-one mentorship. So definitely check it out by clicking on the join button and find a package that works best for you. Now, I just want to remind you that nothing about the channel will change. I will still offer the same videos at the same frequencies, but these memberships are just for those of you that would like to support my channel more, to get more behind the scenes content, or you want that mentorship that you've always dreamed of having. So check it out and let me know what you think down in the comments.